I'm going to put a screw in here, and that's going to hold it once I get ready. Okay. Now I can kind of push on the fence, kind of eyeball that, and see how well it looks. And I can screw it right in, right there. Looks like it's wedged down nicely down there. That's going to hold it until I can look at it, and if I need to position it differently, I will. Okay, so I'm looking back on the fence. It looks like I need to go back that way a little bit further, so I can take a pencil and just mark that. Now I can take this out. See, if I had the nails, I couldn't do this, could I? Push on that a little bit more. If I had somebody here with me, they could line it up and everything, but because I'm here by myself, this is how I got to do it. That's looking pretty straight, but I want to go just a hair extra that way, because I know what's going to happen after a while is the stakes might want to sag back a little bit. I mean, yeah, I'm probably getting too particular with it, but that's how it is. That's where it's going to live. And I don't have to put any more of those. I can take my 8s, my 8 galvies. If I had longer screws, I would just screw this off and be done with it. But because I don't, I'm going to use my 8s. Another one in here for good measure. And I had a 16, remember? I'm going to put one of those in the middle, just a little bit below. I don't want it to split, right? I could probably leave this one out, but there. Now let's see what to do down at the bottom. Now see here, because I cut it at an angle, look how nicely that fits. It just gives more of the board support on the stake there. Okay, so I guess I could take a nail from the back side into there, but I don't know. I got my screws, and I wish, like I said, I had some longer screws, but I don't. Put that in there. And I can do that on both sides. You see, nobody is going to see this repair because it's behind the bush. The big bad bush. I would never do a repair like this out in the middle of somebody's nice, beautiful garden, you know? Wouldn't do it. Let's see what I can do, get a nail back in here. There she be. There it is. supporting that. This thing is nice and stout now. It's pretty straight. And I like it. Now make sure you clean up. Whenever you do a job, finish up. Make it look like you were never there. So I'm going to clean up these trimmings. Kind of push this back around a little bit. And throw these clippings away. You see, I did a fence repair, post repair. I did it, but you can't see it, can you? That's what it's all about. That's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.